creating our form. After creating our form, and this is the connection to this one. Then here it's our document. This is our form here. So in our form here, what we need most is the name, which is in the what? This name is what we call our tables. In the other side of the my PHP admin. So I have site name, and then I have here I've created the site name, the region, and then the country. So what I'm going to do, and then I have the button for submissions here, submission button. Then here what I'm going to have is that one, the values whatever I've created here. Now I'm just going to go there side. I pick what I've placed here inside this code, this code which is connecting to my database here, to this one, to connect to the database. What I've placed here is what I'm going to put in my PHP admin for, so that this can easily communicate with my database. Let us see how it works. So here what I'm going to put here, my table is tourists. So let me create this tourist. Say tourist table. After creating sites, now we are going to put ID. Then we will put site name. Then we put region. Then we put country. So here it will leave it. We shall leave it on int. So here so we save. After saving that, so now our database site sits there. Now we create another new table. If we browse new table, which is to file. And now to create this one, towards name, nationality, then that one. Okay, structure is the increment. Okay, so here we go. We have here our table. Now we are done created. Then the next thing here what we are going to do is to go decide, and we fill in the, so this is for the tourist, for the sites. So for the sites, what we need to consider is here, everything here, and this one, the action must be, the action site here, the file name which is here, it's the action here, and then the method which is we are going to use is to post. So here the method we are going to use to post. So for label site name, sites, the site name here, which is in the database, like the site name, which is as in our database. This side here, as you are seeing it, site name here, the data, the attributes which are inside here, site name, as you are seeing it here, region and the country. That's what we wanted us. You have to correspond each and everything. So again here, come down here, class 1 region. At name we put what is in our database. At name here we put what is in our database. So even here at country we put what is there already in at name here. This command name we put what is in our database for the database to pick up. So down here, as you see this code, it's the one which is picking this data from here to our what? Our database. So let us run it and we see whether our data is running into this database. So we can try it here from here. We can call our database, the name for the database. So the name of the database was test1. It was test localhost. You type localhost to get type localhost // then test db. It was db1. Is it that one? Like, you can go there and we check first. I think test db1 there is a hyphen. If you make any mistake, it won't pick up the database. So you have to put the right name which you have placed there. Yeah, test db1, enter. So it has already entered here. So these are our files in their side. So we just first try to see on this site PHP. So I said PHP was seeing our register the tourist as is the code it's saying. So we can feed in the name of the tourist, Makumbi, like it was like let me see, River Nile. Let me put River Nile. So in region Eastern region, then here country Uganda, then we submit. Are you seeing here in our code there somewhere it's containing table insert into? Are you seeing that one? Into table sites. For us we have left tourism sites, so that's error is. So I want sites because in my code here, in my PHP admin here, what I have it's this one, it's sites. So I want to send data into sites, so we can go back to see whether it's now okay. It's here, it's where it's here. So we refresh, we see whether the error has gone away. Now site registered successfully. It has already submitted the work. We can go check into our table. We see, we browse, we refresh. After refreshing, now in our table you are seeing there this table. You are seeing River Nile, Eastern region, Uganda. It's already here. It's already here registered. It's already registered here. Now we can add in more and more. Elgon. Region, it's northern, but it's northern, I don't know. Let us put northern Uganda like for easy, then submit. Say submit. So we come here, we see whether it's already come. Now you are seeing here, it's not there. You have to refresh first so that the site comes. It's already there. So now our forms are communicating with the database. So in the next part, I'm going to give you how to create reports which can pick data from the database